is a video tutorial for the cartoon illustration for vinyl in grade 10 class. So you have your graphic and you're going to bring it into Illustrator. Okay. So we're going to open Illustrator. We're going to go File, New. And I'm giving you guys a 10 by 10 surface area to work with. So I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to place. Please do not open the file. Place the file into Illustrator. So I have my Bugs Bunny. I'm going to select it. After you download it, you can go to your downloads or wherever you placed it. Mine's on my desktop. There you go. So I'm going to hold Shift and Alt and it'll center it and shrink it proportionally to the middle of my board. Now, if I don't hold Shift, I do this, and that's not right. Okay. So make sure you're holding Shift. Alt just kept the center point centered. Okay. Now, this is very simple, guys. Illustrator has a really cool feature that will image trace this and make this vector. Now, this file is a bitmap. As I zoom in, you can see all the bitmap pixels. So what we're going to do here is select your image, and this should pop up. It says image trace. You know what? Click on it. It's going to convert it into a black and white automatically. Now, you could play with the presets and say, hey, I want this to be a 3-color, and it'll convert it and try to get the colors. So on this one, the grays and the greens and the oranges. Okay. And 6 colors. So you can pick and choose whether you're happy with the first result or play with some of the features. Black and white logo will give you a different result. 3-color, give me this. Now, what this is doing, it's actually taking the bitmap pixels and making them into vectors. So check this out. I'm going to expand. It is now a vector. So if I zoom in, I don't see those squares anymore. They're all sharp lines. Okay. So I pressed expand. I'm going to go object and ungroup. And this is where I'm going to grab the container that this came in. So technically, if I show view, this is what you're seeing right now. It's all these lines. So I'm just going to delete this section. That will be the white background of the image. Go back to view and preview. Okay. Now, technically, your material that you're putting your vinyl on is white. Okay. So I can say select all the white by going select, same, fill color, and you'll select all the white shapes. Now what I can do is I can press delete. And you're thinking, what did I do? Well, technically, I made it like a donut. There's actually cut through. So if I grab this white shape here, and I'll make it a color, and I brought this shape to the background, you would see that it's cut through. So really, the white is technically the color of the material. So I don't need white. Now, if I wanted to, I can make this all gray or black. Now, if I select this color, I can say select all the same, fill color, and I'll pick all the gray. Now, you made a decision. You only have one color to pick. So I'm going to just do something horrid like green. Okay. Now, my black needs to be the same color. So I'm going to select all my black. Select the same fill color. And essentially, I'm going to get my Pathfinder tool. And I can't find it right now, so I'm just going to, oh, it's right here. Pathfinder. Where are you, Pathfinder? There it is. Okay. And essentially, I'm going to grab all my shapes, Command A, and weld them together. Okay. So I took that black color. I can pick any color I want. Right. So yes, the artwork looks different as one color, but I just want you to go through the process. The machine will cut this, and then you can peel off the inside shapes and stick it onto your white surface. Okay. That's how simple it is, guys, using image trace and using your Pathfinder tool to weld or dissect different shapes.